Hello everyone. So finally I have been able to set up my motorized standing desk, and actually I can work standing or sitting in 4 different positions. This is a great. So I'm on the position number 1 where we sit and work. Let's try the position number 2, 87 centimeter. As you can see, it's going up. I'm currently standing. So let's try the position number 3. And there we go. Actually, it was pretty good and easy to fun to build this. And this is 103, and now the 4th is 118 centimeter. And here we go. As you can see, the desk is going up, and now I can work standing. So enjoy.